What are you doing?
I'm getting some puppies for me.
Are you at the pet store?
Yeah.
What's Thomas have?
Puppies.
Come show it to me. Show it to me.
We're putting them in their basket. Look at these.
Oh, what do you have?
For my baby. I want some for my baby.
Okay, you can give him a ride on your bikes?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a puppies.
Oh, armful of puppies. Okay.
And I'm taking them. Goodbye, Bobby. Goodbye, puppy. Goodbye. I put some of my puppies. Dad, look what? Dad, take them in while I fry it.
Don't run over Mama's plants.
Okay. Dad, take them in while
I am.
frying our bikes with our Easter basket.
Okay, bring him around the backyard.
Could you take the rest of the video away back here?
See you later.
See you later. Come back home later, Mommy.
See you later, Mama.
See you later, Mommy.